This is how easy it is to use the JEC mock analyzer. So in your browser, you enter the address and then you click on go, and the page will load for you. Now for the first time you have to register. So you go to register, enter a username, then a password, proceed. I now have the account registered and then I was logged in instantly. So next one is to create a mock. So you have to set up your mock. You give it a name. This can be mock 1. Then the date, the 4th of February. The name, Junction Basic School. Number of students. So you can do this for 1 student or more. So I'll be doing it for 3 students. Then if there is a school crest or logo, you can add it. If you don't have, it doesn't matter. So you can proceed. Now the Excel template you will upload, you have to download it first, then you fill it. So click on download Excel template to have it downloaded on your phone or your device. Okay, so now you can open it straight from here, but if you didn't see that, you can go to your file manager, go to document, probably to be here first thing, then tap on it to open. So you need Excel app or WPS app, any spreadsheet app on your phone to fill this. So the index number will come here. This can be forged, so if you don't have, just put some numbers there. So student name. Okay, so my Excel template is ready, already filled. So if the student is not offering French, you can leave it blank. Then after this, just press the mark button, then you go and save. You save. So make sure the file has been saved on this device. It's here, this device. If it has not been saved on the device, go back, then come to save as. Choose this device, go to document or anywhere you want, then you save it there. Alright, so I've saved mine already. Now I'll go back to Chrome browser, then come here and choose file. So the file is in the downloads folder, so I'll scroll. It is here. Pick it and then upload Excel. So it has been uploaded successfully. Then I'll process results. So I have 3 students. Best aggregate is 23 and the worst is 26. Now for optimum security, you need serial number and PIN to access the final result in every report, every analysis. So you have to send a code, and there's no stress in this. Just tap on this button and it will take you to WhatsApp. You will send a code to have your PIN. But I've copied the serial number and then I have the PIN here. Then I'll go to unlock report and voila, I've seen it. My grade distribution is here. Best performing subjects are here. Grade distribution table is here. Overall ranking is here. Now I need a PDF of the results. So I'll click here, print all results. And it will give me every student's result that can be printed after downloading it as PDF. So it's here. Everything you need on a BECE result is here, just to track your performance. So this system can be used by every student from JHS 1 to 3. So you start tracking your performance even before it gets to BECE time. So just tap on print PDF, then select the printer as PDF, then you click on what PDF to print. You just have to save this. The moment you save, you are going to have access to it. So we can notice that the colors are not here, but when you are doing this on a computer, you have a complete result slip as it looks here. Thank you.